old bridge. It's built in 1566 by one of the famous Ottoman architect called Hayruddin, which is also one of the best students of the Sinan architect. He is one of the most important architects during the Sultan Süleyman ruling. So the bridge is built in the place of the former old wooden bridge in 1566. It's long 29 meters. It's high about 20 meters, depends on the level of the water actually. You see two towers, one on the left, one on the side, and it's said that those two towers was existing even before the bridge was built, and that they're built during the Bosnian kingdom. So after the conquering of the Mostar, actually Ottomans are using those two for one was like actually a warehouse with ammunition and stuff, and another one is the actually for sleeping soldiers like barracks and a prison. So Mostar is have a name by the bridge keepers, which name is Mostari. So actually name of the city it's become Mostar, and it's named by bridge keepers.